Hello, I'm Jerry from Wildlife Extreme. Just wanted to let you know about some little things about the roof vent guards and dryer vent guards. As you can see over here, birds got in through the roof vent and they tore it up the screen inside of it, and there are a lot of debris now. Yes, they can get in through the roof vents. They can also um, get inside the exhaust vent and dryer vents, like a bathroom exhaust, dryer vent exhaust, and they will make a nest in there. So that's why you should get some roof vent guards, dryer vent guards. Thanks for watching.